Swipe up not working on your iPhone? Here are a few ways to fix it. First, force restart your iPhone. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Quickly press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding until the Apple logo appears. Release the button and let your iPhone restart. Unlock your phone and test the swipe up gesture again. If the issue continues, check your battery health. Open Settings. Tap Battery. Tap Battery Health and Charging. If your battery health is below 80%, your iPhone may lag or freeze. In that case, consider replacing the battery. Another fix is updating iOS. Open Settings. Tap General. Tap Software Update. Install any available update. Updates often fix gesture bugs and system glitches. After updating, try the swipe up gesture again. And that's it. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials.